Welcome to our quick guide on how to properly use italics in Radiopaedia articles and cases. Italics have specific uses to maintain clarity and readability. If you are in doubt, it is best to just avoid using italics altogether. Let's explore some examples on how to use italics in your articles and cases before publishing them to Radiopaedia. When naming organisms in Radiopaedia, always italicize the genus and species, and capitalize the genus. For example, Escherichia coli. Use abbreviations cautiously, following them with a full stop. For example, if more than one species is being referred to, then SPP can be added. This should not be italicized. Lastly, higher taxonomic ranks like family names remain non-italicized. For gene symbols, italicize the gene, but not its protein product. This makes sure to simplify readability. In atomic physics, make sure to italicize symbols for atomic and mass numbers Z and A, respectively. When it comes to our website's name, Radiopaedia.org, please do not italicize. Key points to remember: use italics for organism names and gene symbols. Thanks for your time, and we look forward to seeing your contributions on our edit list soon.